Hi, I want to show you on how to use mouse magnifier without downloading any application or software from the internet. Now, I come to understand that there are some or many tutorials in the internet that or in the YouTube that they request you to download some application before you can use the mouse magnifier or the screen magnifier. And some of these applications tends to come with virus and affect your system immediately, and they get access to your informations. Now, there is a built-in functions from the Microsoft whereby you can use the mouse or the key mouse or the screen magnifier without you downloading any application or software from the internet. So for we to use this application or this magnifier, we use the function or the keyboard function window uh, plus. Then it pops up and you can see it's showing magnifier on the screen. So we can increase this magnifier to any length. If you notice, wherever I take my mouse to, it goes along with it. So it follows along with what I'm doing. So if there's a way you can set this beyond this 140, the reason why I'm taking the step by 10 is because I want to manage my resolutions. Maybe if I'm recording this a screen. So for you to change this information, you simply click on the settings at the right hand of the magnifier. You can actually minimize this. By minimizing this, you can come down here and also pop it up, especially if you don't want it to be showing while you're presenting. So I can come back here and click on the settings. Now there are more settings here whereby you can increase the speed of the mouse, but I will have to go ahead to click on go to settings. Then it takes me down here. I want to reduce this magnifier so that I can show you exactly what I want to achieve here. Now you can see change this zoom level. If I take it by 10, it follows. But for you to change the step side of this or the percentage of the increase in the pixel, you can click on this change zoom increment. By changing the zoom increment, you can see 25%, 100% by default. So once you take any move, it goes by 100. So if I have to move to any position, it flows along with it and it moves along with it. But I want to be able to manage my resolutions while presenting. Therefore, I can make use of this step side depending on your screen resolutions. Every screen comes with different resolutions. So you can see other settings stated here. Start magnifying after sign in, start magnifying before signing up for everyone's like inverter colors, and all these are things you can do on the settings. So since I've shown you this, you can actually also have a mouse click sound so that whenever you click any of these objects, you can also hear the sound of the mouse, and you can control the text color of any of these. So you can come here and make a lot of changes of whatever you want to do on your magnifying. So therefore, you don't need to download any of this application from online. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll be showing you a lot of things and a lot of tips on tech and everything on the computer. Thanks.